Hello everyone. The witch casket is here, and I wanted to show you how it arrives. It is in this biodegradable bag, and yeah, this is the custom decoration, and when it arrives in Germany from the UK, I have to pay some taxes for it. So yeah, we will not look at that because this is the description of the contents. So, and this is the witch casket, the box you get. Ta-da-da-da! Okay, so when you open it up, there's the little lock. It looks like that. And the theme is Green Witch. This is my theme. Okay, let's put it to the side. And I don't want to look, so yeah, I'm excited. Let's see. So the first thing is always the print. The manifestation card. I like it. Okay, on the top, I need to put this somewhere else, sorry. On the top, there's the ritual kit, Bury It ritual kit. All right, Bury It ritual kit. Let's see. This is the card. We have 2 herbs, paper, and a black candle. So, what are the herbs? Piece of paper, yarrow, and rose hips. Yeah, I can feel that. So, piece of paper, yarrow, rose hips, black spell candle. You will also need a pen, pencil, candle holder, fireproof bowl. Yeah, that's nice. I made also like a letting go spell ritual thing. And I used the ashes of everything I wanted to let go of, and I put it in a little paper boat and yeah, let it go on like a river. I can link this down in the description if you are interested. I had to be careful not to fall into the water, so I needed a helping hand from my husband. That was fun. All right, so the next thing is, what is it? Okay, date, time, season, location, herb, plant, flower name, magical properties, uses, notes. Oh, I like that. I mean, yeah. Let me think. I mean, I can put this like with all my seed sachets and put this in the sachet or in the I think I will make or order, I don't know what exactly, like a binder for all my little seed sachets. And maybe I can put this in with that. Nice. Yeah. So the next thing is that's cool. That's cool. To plant things, a little shovel. That's really cool. I mean, it's tiny. The ones that I have are like this big, but it's so cute. I like that. I like this. This is cool. Yes. So the next thing is the stone, the crystal, and it's a green one. Let me see if I can guess. Oopsie. Oh yes. It's at the tip of my tongue and it won't come out. I'm not really sure if it's a moss agate. Or if it is the other one that I have in my mind. I'm not really sure. Do you know? Okay, let me see. Oh, little pumpkins. It's spring. That's weird. I was right. Really? I was right. Huh. Great. Moss agate or agate, whatever. In German, it's a completely different word. Moss agate is a stone of emotional balance and growth. It helps us to process and understand our emotions and aids with new beginnings. A perfect stone for emotional healing, stability, and spiritual grounding. And I really like this stone. I mean, it's green, yeah. Cool. That is nice too. I like this stone. So then there's this mini altar bottle set. So we again get some bottles. And this time, haha, they are green. So we have a white or a clear one and a green one and a brown one, and I like that. And here we have the description. Use these charming altar bottles for your herbs or herbs, crystals, crystal chips, etc. These also make perfect spell bottles. Right. Clear, any use, brown, grounding, stability, and practical matters. Green, abundance, success, and growth. Yeah, lovely. And I also have, I still have the ones that we got like months ago. I think it was around, what was it? Oh no, I put them somewhere else. Or did I? Let's see. No, here we are. There we go. There's the other one. I think it was around Halloween. I don't know. It's orange and black. It was nice too. So there's an orange one and then black ones. Yeah, still have them. I probably will put them together. So yeah, but that is nice to have like little bottles in colored glass. I like that. Next up, oh, there are, look at that. I'll show you these burlap bags and the scrolls. So let's have the enamel pin. Oh, that is nice. Look at the pin. I think this is really one that I can put on my bag because I really like that. So that tells you something. I will use that. I will use this one. This is really cute. I like it. Okay, so let's have this one first. I think there are some seeds in here. Apothecary herbs. Nice. Oh, well, there are a lot. I probably have a few of them. I just bought some seeds. Well, let's have one by one. So we have bay leaf. Oh, is this the leaves? Yes, so there are no seeds. Yeah, okay. No, I thought we have some seeds. I mean, I have bay leaf, but not, yeah, nice. All right, next up, hibiscus. That is good because I really don't have hibiscus. Can you believe that? Wow. Last box I said, oh, I want to have something I don't have. I want to receive something I don't have. And I actually don't have this. Great. So, lemon balm. I have a lot of that. Actually, right now on my window. On my window, yeah. But I like lemon balm. And orange peel. Yes, and I have a lot of that because I make it myself, and I use it in teas a lot. And rosemary, yes. I have also a lot of that, but that's fine. Okay, so I'm really happy about the hibiscus. And it's a really nice presentation. I enjoyed that. Oh, can we please, thank you. All right, so the next bag is this. No picture. The sound is wooden. What is it? Feels like some kind of mushroom. It actually is a mushroom. That's cute. That's really nice. I will actually put this on my altar here, right in my decoration. That fits. I already have 2 mushrooms, and that will fit. That will really fit. I like that. Cool. That's cute. That's really cute. And the last one is this. And yeah, I think might be some kind of basket. What? Gathering bag. Oh, I mean, this is the gathering bag, I think. And this is, oh, it's really a basket. You know, this is not my favorite, to be honest. This is a little bit flimsy. But it's a nice idea. Yeah. So, a gathering set. So, this is probably the bag and the basket. A delightful bowl and bag for foraging and gathering your magical herbs, leaves, stones, and other small gifts from the earth. The bowl is made from willow, which is known for its strength, and it is useful for any magic for renewal, growth, and letting go. All right. Actually, I think for like new beginnings, you can also use, you can use birch, especially the bark. Let me see, I just got some bark from the birch. And yeah, you can write on it. And burn it, or you can write on it and bury it, or whatever you want to. I like to burn stuff, so I will burn it, write it on for new beginnings. Birch is the tree of new beginnings, and yeah, I will use that for new beginnings. So this is, I got this. Yeah, nice. I can use this in the garden, and I like not only for foraging, but also for drying stuff, because this is really airy. Yeah, all right. So, drying plants and fruit for spellcraft. Once you've harvested your herbs, flowers, fruits, you might want to dry them so you can add them to charm bags and spell jars, or preserve them for use in the future. Plants. Take a bunch of your chosen flower or herb and tie together at the bottom of the stem. We know that, right? You want to read. So, fruit. Sorry. If you not have a dehydrator in your home, which I have, put them in the oven. Yeah, okay. So if you want to, sorry, it's loud. If you want to read that, there you go. So I don't need that because I know that. So what is my favorite thing? I think this one and the little wooden mushroom. And yeah, surprisingly, I like the pin. I really do. I really do like the pin. I do like the presentation of these herbs, and in general the bags. I like that. I enjoyed that. This is not my favorite one. It's a little bit flimsy and yeah, not my favorite thing. But I can use it for drying my flowers, especially flowers. And I also really like the stone and the bottle set. So, I mean, everything. Today I like everything. This month I like everything. Yeah. Yeah. Because I can use everything. There's nothing, I would say, yeah, well, maybe I give it away. But no, I can use everything. So that's really good. And now let me see what exactly is that. So let's see. Handcrafted wooden mushroom, the gathering set, herb selection, magical mini-trowel. So this is called a trowel. Cool. I learned something new. A trowel. A trowel. Okay. Or trowel? Not trowel? Because it's not a V, it's a W. Trowel? Like towel? Probably trowel, right? I need to ask Google. Okay, so it's on Danish. All right, so it is trowel, trowel. That's here. Can you please speak to me?
Trowel.
Trowel. It's not that, right?
Trowel.
Trowel. Trowel. That's so funny. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. Trowel. Thank you, Google. So the trowel, I like the trowel. Forager's field notes. Knowing the details of the plant, herbs, and other items you forage can help you to work more powerful magic. This beautiful notepad will allow you to record the date, time, moon phase, season, and location of each item foraged, along with their magical properties and any other information you wish to keep a record of. Yeah. Yeah, nice. That was nice. That was a nice one. I liked it. Yeah, many favorites this time. Really, yeah. So I stop rambling now. And what do you think about this box? And yeah, what is your favorite item this month? Okay, I stop. I stop now. And play with my towel. Okay, bye.